Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Lorena Tangonan, 25 years old, married. I have one daughter, high school graduate. About my working experience, I work in Jordan as a domestic helper. My duties and responsibilities is doing my household chores like cleaning the house, ironing, washing, and taking care of the children.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Lorena. How are you today?
Sir, Madam, I'm fine, thank you.
What are the advantages of the employers if ever they will hire you?
Sir, Madam, I'm loyal, trustworthy, honest, hardworking, and responsible.
So can you tell me the proper way on how to take care of the children?
Sir, Madam, by feeding them on time, giving them medication, vitamins, and bathing them, I will love them as my own children, and I play with them.
So what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry and promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me. I really need this job for my family. I promise to finish my 2 years contract and to follow your rules and regulations.
Thank you, Miss Lorena, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.